Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the fill. We're doing one case of Eminence hit draft style. We're going to start with case 16. It filled faster. And we're going to go to 15 afterwards. But I just wanted to let you know that it's not going to change the result. I already had these pre-numbered. So those of you in 15, if I pull something out of 16, don't worry, that didn't screw up. You didn't end up not getting your hit because I did 16 first. So I just wanted you guys all to know that. So it's not going to change the outcome. So we're going to start with this one. This is the hit draft. This one filled first, and I still have to check a bunch of payments on the 15 for the random, so I don't want to hold this up. This is a hit draft, so I'll leave it up on the screen for a little while, but again, we're going to do it through Facebook. I think He and Sergio are not here. So since He and Sergio are not here, if any of them get like whatever first or second pick, we'll probably have to wait on that. So anyway, I'll try to get a hold of He and Sergio should be getting up in the next 2-3 hours. So once he does, we'll get rolling. I don't know. He might pop in. You never know. It's like 6 a.m. I think, 5, and it's 5:30 a.m. Alrighty, so for this one, this is the 6-spot hit draft. The participants are, let me show it on my phone, 6-spot hit draft, and here was $13.98 per spot, $13.59 gift, and if this decides to focus, you shall see the participants. Maybe not. Darn it. What the hell is going on with this? It doesn't like my phone right now. Maybe it's too... Maybe now it'll like my phone? Anyway. Trong, Swiggy, Claudio, He, Brian, and Sergio. There you go. There's everybody. So we're going to randomize this 6 names. Just one thing to keep in mind, guys. Good luck. This is a 3rd round reversal draft. Everybody's going to be guaranteed at least 2 cards. But we're going to go 1 through 6, 6 through 1. Then we're going to go 6 through 1 again. So if we have 13 cards, essentially the 6th spot will get 3 cards. If we have 14 cards, the 6 and 5 spots will each get 3 cards. But so that's how it works. It's a little fairer that way because if you get the 1 pick, you're going to get the top hit in the case. It would be unfair if you also got 3 cards and then the guy at the bottom only got 2 cards and, you know, the 6 picks. So a good thing in this format is even the worst spot will get 2, 6, and 7. So that's the worst you're going to do is 6 and 7 and possibly 13 if there's more than 12 cards. And your bank account is the low roll. I'll post another 10 spotter. This way, this one, a couple people had asked me to do it. Some people asked me to do a 3 or 4 spotter, and I was like, well, let's ease up a little bit. All right, so here we go, guys. This is recording. Everybody's here, and let's roll on over. All right, good luck, good luck. This is for the draft order. So I've got everybody loaded up in there. Let me get rid of this. We don't need that. That's here. All right, so we're going to roll the dice. We re-roll snake eyes, otherwise we go with it. 6 times. 6 times on the dice. Good luck, guys. Good luck. 6 times on the dice. There is everybody. Names listed. Trong, Swiggy, Claudio, He, Brian, and Sergio. And again, we are going to go 6 times on the random. So 6 times. Good luck. This is for the draft order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th and final. Good luck. 6. Swiggy, Trong, He, Claudio, Brian, and Sergio. Sorry, Sergio. Congrats to Swiggy. You got the 1 pick. Trong, you got the 2 pick. He, you are 3. Claudio 4, Brian 5, Sergio 6 and 7, then Brian 8, Claudio 9, He 10, and so on and so forth. So there is your draft order on 6 times. Congrats to Swiggy and Trong. Let me print this out. Hopefully it's a really sick case, so there'll be like 6 at least really good hits, so everybody's happy. So good news for Sergio and Brian is if there's like 13 or 14 cards, you guys each get 3 cards. So we go 1 through 6, 6 through 1, and then 6 through 1 again. So if there's like 14 cards, Sergio and Brian get 3 each. If there's 15 cards, Sergio, Brian, and Claudio get 3 each. Load paper. Well, that would be nice. Alright, give me a sec, guys. I've got to get some paper. Give me 1 minute, guys. I gotta grab some paper. I'm out of paper. All right, sorry about that. I got the paper. We are ready to go. Come on, printer. Really strange. She put it. Alrighty, there you have it. Alright, good luck, good luck. Here we go, guys. There is your draft order. Swiggy, congrats. Come on. There it is. Swiggy, Trong, Itti, Claudio, Brian, and Sergio. There's your draft order. Good luck, guys. Let's go in here. I've got, by the way, guys, I'm leaving in a week from tomorrow, going to Greece for 15 days. So, moral of that story is we can break Eminence through till Monday. So, I think I've got like 5 or 6 more. Wow, this is banged, so I hope the case isn't damaged. But some of these cases have come out pretty banged up. The boxes, I should say. But we're doing 2 tonight. I've got 1 more and I've got 4 more coming. So I have a total of 7 cases for basically the next 8 days. So after tonight, we're only going to have 5 more left, and that's going to be it for me and Eminence until after I get back from my trip. So who knows Hopefully it'll still be doing well and will still be available, but who knows? That's going to be like mid, I'm not going to get back till the 7th of September, so we'll play that by ear. But for now, for the next week, we will do at least 5 more cases after tonight. Alright, the corner is banged up. We'll check it out. I think it should be alright. This one seems heavy. Alrighty. This is the funnest part. When you crack open that lid, see what's in there. All right, let's see what we got. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. We're recording. Jason, just let me know. Yeah, you can just still post on the old posts. So we'll see. I don't know, to be quite honest with you. I'm gonna try to. I won't be able to post the post on like Monday because I'm leaving on Wednesday. So I have to ship by Tuesday. So to answer your questions, no. But if you want shipping, if you didn't post in the last one, let me know and I will add you. All right. Well, here we go. Let's see what we got here. Wow. Okay. Got some sickness coming right off the bat. All right, we got Beckenbauer, 3 of 10. Franz Beckenbauer, 3 of 10. This is a sick top row. Well, we got Francesco Totti, 3 of 10. Francesco Totti, 3 of 10. Decade of Dominance, the 2000s. The Beckenbauer was not a diamond, just banner signatures. All right. Oh, okay. No, that's the different guy. I thought this was someone else. Never mind. All right. I thought this was Ronaldo. It's Rivaldo. Rivaldo, 3 of 10. Rivaldo, 3 of 10 for Brazil. Rivaldo, 3 of 10 for Brazil. I was wrong. I misread that one. So this isn't our sick row. Then we have a nice one there. Philippe Coutinho, 2 of 5. 2 of 5 on the Coutinho. 2 of 5 on the Coutinho. So 2 of 5 Coutinho gold. So four cards. 3 of 10 Rivaldo. 3 of 10 Totti. And we've got Beckenbauer also. Wow, every card is 3 of 10. That is weird. 3 of 10. 3 of 10. 3 of 10. I swear, I think they like have these cards like stacked up, and when they're putting them in, they're putting them in all with the same in the same order. That's happened a few times. We had like a case where everything was like 8 of 10. All right, let's see what we got coming. Okay, all right. Another 4 cards, so this gets us to 8. Blanco, 1 of 10. Blanco, 1 of 10 for Mexico. Two of 10, Alan Shearer. 2 of 10, Alan Shearer. Crown Jewels. Alan Shearer, Crown Jewels. Nice one here. 3 of 5, gold Bastian Schweinsteiger. Patch autograph. 3 of 5. Bastian Schweinsteiger gold. 7 and our 8th hit. Iker Casillas, 3 of 10. Iker Casillas, 3 of 10. Alrighty, good luck. Come on, Mojo. We got 8 cards so far, so we have at least 4 more coming. At least 4 more coming. Let's see what we got. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Holy shizzle. Holy shizzle. Holy shizzle. Some really nice stuff here. I don't even know where to start. Let's start here. Ian Rush, 7 of 10. Ian Rush, 7 of 10 for Wales. 7 of 10 for Wales. Ian Rush. Trophy case, 3 of 5. Manuel Neuer. 3 of 5. Manuel Neuer trophy case. A bunch of sick ones here. Let's start with this one. 8 of 10, Diego Armando Maradona with the numbers 8 of 10. Maradona. Yeah, he's going to have a lot to choose from. I don't know where to go next. You know what? I'm just going to show this one next because I feel like it. How about Cristiano Ronaldo, 10 of 10. Cristiano Ronaldo, 10 of 10. 10 of 10 Ronaldo. Sick one there. And then check out this insane card. It's only a patch, but still. 1 of 1. Luis Suarez, Uruguay. Look at that sickness. Half of his game-used Barca emblem. Half of his game-used Barca emblem. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 8. 8 and 5 is 13. So it looks like we have at least 14 cards. At least 14 cards. So congrats there. Oh, that's pretty sick. And come on, one more sick hit. One more sick hit, please. Oh, pretty nice, I think. And their last hit is a quad booklet for Bayern. We've got Arjen Robben, Arturo Vidal, Thomas Müller, and James Rodriguez, all with game-used stuff. And that's 7 of 10. That's 7 of 10. So there you have it. All right, so recap. Swiggy, you are up first, then Trong is up second, then Ithi's up third, then Claudio. So I could try to get a hold of Ithi. Move it along. Seems like the top 3 are pretty obvious. I don't know about the order, but maybe 4. But anyway. Arjen Robben, Arturo Vidal, Müller, and James Rodriguez. That is our quad booklet. That's going to go to someone, make someone happy. And by the way, let me show the bottom of the box so everybody sees that there's nothing else in there. So we got 14 hits. The good news for Brian and Sergio is they each get 3 cards. Bad news is they don't pick till the end. But the good news is they get 3 cards. Alright, so there's that. Then, let's see, where to go. We've got Rivaldo, 3 of 10. We've got Beckenbauer, 3 of 10. Nice one there. We've got Neuer, 3 of 5, trophy case. Got Alan Shearer, 2 of 10. We've got Blanco, 1 of 10. Blanco, 1 of 10. Go next level. We've got Ian Rush, 7 of 10. Ian Rush, 7 of 10. Iker Casillas, 3 of 10. Then we've got 2 of 5. 3 is Ithy. 2 of 5 is Coutinho. I don't know. It's going to be interesting to see who goes second and third and first. Honestly, I don't know. Like, well, I mean, I don't know. That's a pretty... Then we've got Bastian Schweinsteiger, 3 of 5. All right, then we have Francesco Totti, 3 of 10 for Totti. No party, no Totti, no party. And then we got these 3 suckers here. We've got Maradona. That's a sick one. 8 of 10. You got a Maradona. We've got a 10 of 10 Ronaldo Diamond. 10 of 10 Ronaldo Diamond. You got this insane hit right here. Suarez, 1 of 1, Barca patch. Nasty. No auto, but still, as far as patch cards goes, that's about as nasty as they get. All right. That does it. Swiggy, you're on the clock. Take your time. When you're ready to pick, let me know. Once you pick, Trong, you're up next. Can I check the corners? Absolutely. You know what? I'm going to... Actually, you know what? I forgot. I've got to do something, guys. I hate to do this. I know I kind of forgot to do this, but I've got to take pictures of all these. I kind of forgot. This is a hit draft, so I need to take pictures. Let's see. Corner, Ronaldo, corner, 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 corner. Looks pretty good. I'll take pictures. Looks better, easier to figure out in a picture than on this camera, because the zoom on this camera isn't exactly amazing. Let me take pictures of front and back of this. And right after this, we'll get into get your payments in on 15, guys. I'm going to do that one next. All right. There's that one. Swiggy, I'll send you a picture right now of those 2 so you can decide if that's the one you want. Wow, Swiggy, you had some luck on these hit drafts, man. You usually end up with top picks. That one. Let's do this one. Alright, that's that. go to row 2. That one. Yeah. That one. That one. That one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I think we got that. All right, so we got 14 total cards. Is the diamond. Let's see. I don't think it's yellow. Oh, you know, it kind of looks. I don't know. Let's see if let me try something. Kind of seems to have a little bit of a yellow tint to it. It's kind of hard to tell. It is a little bit. Seems it's a little bit yellow. You know what? Let me go look in the other room. I got better light in the other room. Now, honestly, it's kind of white, but it does seem to have a little bit of a yellowish tint to it. It's like white with it's got a little bit of a yellow tint to it. I think you kind of catch that in the picture. Yep, that's what I'm thinking too. All right, so he wants Maradona. All right, let me post all these. Let me end the tape here, actually. Let me end the tape here.